How to turn on Rheem water heater. Step 1. Check for the gas control. Look near the bottom of the water heater. You'll usually see a control with markings such as off, pilot, or on. There may also be a separate igniter button. If yours doesn't have a pilot position, it may be an automatic ignition model, so don't try to manually light anything. Rheem's newer automatic models specifically say not to attempt hand lighting the burner. Step 2. Make sure you don't smell gas. Before doing anything, do not proceed if you smell gas. Don't operate electrical switches. Don't try to ignite the heater. Leave the area and contact your gas supplier and emergency service. Rheem's lighting instructions put this safety check before the ignition procedure. Step 3. Turn the control to off. Turn the gas control knob to off. Don't force the knob. Rheem specifies using only your hand to operate the gas control. Step 4. Wait 5 minutes. Wait approximately 5 minutes to allow any accumulated gas to dissipate. If you smell gas during this period, stop and don't continue. Rheem's manuals specify the waiting period before attempting ignition. Step 5. Set the knob to pilot. Turn the control to pilot. On many Rheem standing pilot models, the knob then needs to be pressed down and held while the pilot is being ignited. And then step 6, press the igniter. While holding the pilot control down, press the piezo igniter button repeatedly. You should hear and see the spark and eventually see the pilot flame through the viewing window. Step 7, keep holding the control. Once the pilot lights, continue holding the control down according to the instructions on your specific model. Some Rheem models use a status light that begins blinking when the pilot has successfully established. Only then can you release the control. Step 8. Turn the control to on. Once the pilot is established, turn the control from pilot to on. The main burner should then be able to ignite when the thermostat calls for heat. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.